Well, it's day 9 today. It is uh, just, it's been, last Friday was, sorry, a week ago Friday was when I had my operation, and on the 29th of December. And today it's the 6th of January. So it's been 9 days since I had the operation. Everything has been moving forward. There's been some setbacks, there's been some problems, but there's also been some good days, and there's been changes that are in a positive direction. Today was another one of those days where it was a step back. I've had a lot of pain in the muscles above and below the knee. I have some other pain in the knee area. I still have the swelling on my lower leg and my calf muscle, or muscles. And I also have some swelling in my thigh as well. And it hurts to touch today. For some reason, it's just very sore. It's like a pulsating pain. So it's a throb with moments of just sort of a sharper, more acute pain. And it's all tied to the muscle. It's just part of the healing process. So, I've just sort of haven't done too much today. I've just walked around. I've done some of my exercises that I need to do. I've taken it easy, just getting through the day. That's my plan. That's my plan for the bad days and the good days. I guess you want the next day, and you want the next day, and you want to move forward. You want to get to a position where you can say, look, I've gone through it and all is good, and I just, that's what you're looking for, right? You're looking to get to that other side, to get through the problems that you're having, and move forward. So that is today. Today is just like I'm the bug up hitting the windshield. It's a step back. So it's just, those days you're going to get, and you're going to get them sometimes more than you want, but still moving forward, 2 steps forward, right? So that's my day 9. I'd taken some videos through the week, and I've had some positive days, and I've had some, just sort of negative, negative days. Yeah. Anyway, I'll show you what my leg looks like today. So this is my leg today. The bruises are coming out. It is getting better. My calf is, still swollen. I think the swelling has come down a little bit. It's not as bad as it was, but it's, it's still swollen. You can see it. And then right here, I'm having a lot of pain in this area today. This is what is causing me the most pain, right here going into the side of the knee. So again, I got the swelling and I've got the bruising. So that's my knee today, and leg. So I was thinking of going out to dinner with some family tonight. I can't drive, so I was going to be driven to a restaurant, and with the way that my leg felt, and with it snowing today or this evening, I decided that I'd stay home and not go out. Just didn't want to chance anything, going from the house to the car and from the car to the restaurant. So my my decision today was to stay in. I don't know, like sometimes, like you think your luck. With my luck, I'll be the one bozo that falls a week into a knee replacement, and no, I don't want to be that bozo. So I stayed in, and I'll just eat when my family gets home. So that's the plan today. So that was that's my day 9. It just wasn't a great day, but it wasn't the worst day either. It's just you wake up some days and you're farther along than where you thought you'd be, and then some days you wake up and it's like, crap, so that was one of my crap days. But all is good, moving forward, one step at a time, and just looking to do what I need to do. Like I said before, I want to get better, and I want to get past this, because that's what I want to get to the other side, right? I want to feel better. I want to be able to walk around and actually get back to work too. So I'm taking a couple of weeks off, and that it's not the best, like not getting paid, so, or you're taking vacation time, or you're taking sick time. So there we are, right? Welcome to the other problem that you don't talk about, is like how you get through it on the financial end. And every country has different rules, regulations. Every business has different benefits to employees. So my company's pretty good, and they're working with me. So my plan is to have 2 weeks where I'm not doing anything, and then sort of towards the end of that 2 weeks, cut down on my medication, and then do work from home for a couple of weeks, and then see how I'm at a month out, right? And see where I'm at, reassess. Anyway, this is the end of day 9. I'll see you for day 10. Have a good night.